Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essential parts and taking the first actionable steps. Mount the LED strip onto the frame and position the diffuser. Once done, wire the strip to the microcontroller output and run a short ground continuity check to confirm connections. Make sure to secure the power supply close to the controller and solder signal and ground neatly. This prevents intermittent flicker. You do this now because a stable mechanical and electrical base avoids rework during programming and final assembly. You now focus on the complex middle steps. Program the microcontroller with an LED driver and test single-color outputs, then add color mixing routines. Once code runs, calibrate PWM frequency and current limits so LEDs run cool and efficient. Make sure to implement input debounce and a soft start to avoid spikes. You should also create scene presets and transitions. Having these in firmware simplifies later adjustments and explains why early calibration saves power and prolongs LED life. You finish by assembling the enclosure and conducting final tests. Power the unit fully and observe for heat, flicker, or color shifts. Once done, adjust diffuser distance for uniform light and fasten all mounts. Tidy wiring with heat shrink to prevent shorts. Make sure to log any anomalies and rerun tests after fixes. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is to recheck solder joints and supply voltage first, because most issues stem from poor connections or incorrect voltage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.